Jan's outdoors again. About 6:20 in the morning. First one out on the pond. Pond looks like nasty pea soup combined with puke. So let's see whether we can get anything today. The bite's been really light around here, supposedly. I know I haven't caught much but dinks. So we'll just see how it goes. See that? See that? Oh yeah, that's something. That's what's gonna tackle all those fish. Drag 2 yards up. Hey there, Fred. All right. All right, all right. Fishing on bark for the year. Haven't been fishing much, so. Boy, did he take that down in there deep. Grief. There we go. Probably about a pounder. Yeah, maybe a little more. Not worth weighing. But I think it's still August, so August bark fish off. 2015. Alright. Been seeing them, seeing all the bait fish jump back here, so this is one of the guys that's been going after it. Had a bite a minute ago. Let's get back to it, so let him go. Really shallow back here. I mean, it's not even a foot of water. I can't even use the trolling motor. I've got it jerked all the way up. I had to paddle back part of this way. So let's get back to it. See if we can get going. How many bites can I get today? They are going after it, but not enough. Well, I'm calling it a day. One fish. One fish and a ton of bites. All top water. Nothing on swim bait, nothing on jig. But I was warned that it would be a big fish. I just had to get out of the canoe. Let's do it. Too many hobbies, not enough fun. Well, there's always next time, and we keep coming. Full fishing get up. And a couple of bank fishers. And these two kayakers got this shit blocked off. How common is that? Just had to shout at them. Hopefully they're coming over here and I don't have to get back out on the water. Yep, he's coming. That has got to be one of the dumbest things. I mean, Delaware tags, so who knows how long they've lived in Delaware, but come on, man. You don't block an obvious route to get your freaking boat into the water. The guy was nice enough, and he came right in after I shouted at him from the bank, so thankfully I didn't have to relaunch the boat. And now I'm going the wrong way because I'm so perturbed. I wanted to drive by another pond just to see how busy it was. So, obviously I'm not going to fish anymore today. I'm done with it, but she's got to be kidding me. Alright, I'm going to shut up now. You have a good one.